Hi, it's Malcolm here and welcome to another trading video. So in this video I want to show you a couple of little updates I've done to TTS trading software. So first is 1/3 column now has green, pink and yellow to indicate whether it's top or in the top three anyway. So basically it's there now, so if you get all greens right across the board, you know you're probably on a pretty good runner. I've also added pace, average, rank in brackets. That way it doesn't matter where you're looking at it, you can see quite quickly whether you're on a pace average that is the top or second top or third top or whatever. So that could be useful if you're looking at, say, 1/3 ranking and you've got greens and you go across, probably not on that one, but you can say, oh, what's the pace average? Well, it's quite low, so not sure that would be a runner I'll go on, or maybe it will be, I don't know, but it certainly makes it easier. I've also added in another rating, which is speed rank and speed rating, and basically this is something I came up with a couple of years ago on PR ratings, and I'm not sure quite how accurate it is, but it kind of puts together a load of information about the horse's runs and comes up with a number of the speed they're expected to win the race in. Of course, anything can happen, and I think it works better with shorter races like 5, 6, 7 1 mile races than it does over that. But it kind of gives you an idea of where they are on the speed ratings as far as other runners are concerned. So for an example, is we've got this green rating and 1/3 green rating here, which are normally pretty good. It's got dot, but when you start looking at the pace average, which is 444, so really, although it's dobbed in play, it's not really a horse that likes to run at the front, so it obviously does better kind of near the end of the race, and it's 1-2, so obviously it has. But the speed rank sort of says that it may not be up there with the top ones again, so it's probably a rear runner, and probably strikes late, so you'd probably be a little bit unsure about being that one for a quick trade in play. But it's just a little bit of help. It might work. It might give you a bit of help when selecting runners to go in play more than before the off. But if you're into in play, it might just help you that little bit. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the updates, and I'll see you in the next video.